So I have two most performing videos over here on this my channel. One currently is having 139,000 views, and the other one also on your screen now having 31,000 views. And you know what? I'm going to show you in this particular video how much YouTube paid me for these two different videos, and you're going to be surprised. You understand? So I'm going to take you straight away to the YouTube site. I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me, and this is a YouTube revenue update this year 2025. And so what I'm trying to say over here is that as a YouTuber, wherever you find yourself watching, if you just started or if you're about to start your YouTube journey, please do well to take YouTube so seriously. Now that I'm going to show you my revenue, you'll be surprised as to how I am getting this amount of monies from YouTube. But you know what? The second one, that is the video having 31,000 views, will actually shock you, because the revenue I had over there is something else. I wouldn't want to say much. Let's go straight away to the YouTube today. Let me show you over there. And right after that, I'll actually get you some tips to increase your revenue. So if you're someone who would also want to increase your revenue as well, do well to watch this video so carefully from start to the end. All right, so this is the video talking about. That's the first one. Let's click on the first one and see what's going to happen over here. So this particular video is currently having 139,000 views here, as you can see clearly on top over here. 139,894 views now, and it's currently topping over here on this my channel. Yeah, so that is it. 139,000 views over here on my channel. And then let's go to the reach. Now you see this video is having 1.9 million impressions. Yes, 1.9 million impressions. YouTube actually suggested this particular video, and it got a lot of traction over here. It has 5.4% of impressions. That's the click through rate, the number of times people actually clicked on the thumbnail to watch the particular video. And all in all, it's 139,000 views over there. So that is it for this particular video. So anyway, let's jump onto what we have. But before that, let me show you some of these search terms, how to get more subscribers on YouTube. These are some of the search terms that directed people to watch this particular video, and these are some of the videos too that suggested my video. So YouTube not recommending, no watch hours, no subscribers, no watch hours, no subscribers. If YouTube is not recommending, 7 easy YouTube settings. All right, so I think this one is coming from Dan the Creator, and the first 4 are from Nigerian content creators. So these videos actually suggested mine. Okay, so let's get to the engagement and let's see how people actually engaged with this particular video. Now, the watch time from this particular video is 5.9 thousand. That is 5,900 watch hours from this particular single video. Yeah, so that should tell you that this particular video was actually highly optimized to get me a lot of views. And then there has been some sort of remix from this particular video. Currently 3 remix from this particular video. That's also another strategy to get more extra views onto your video. As you can see, the first remix is having 328, the next 321 views, the next 180 views. So you see, all of this can also help you over there. So you can also activate your remix so that you either do it or you let other people do it for you. Let's get to the audience. That is where I had my traffic from. So when I scroll down, you could see that the age that actually what my video, this particular video, it's, I think, with the exception of 13 to 17 years, the rest actually have been watching. But the most number of views I'm getting from the age range is 35 to 44 years of people watching. That's 30.8%. Now let's get to the top geography. The 3 top countries watching this particular video: United States 35.7%, India 7.3%, and that of United Kingdom 6.6%. So over here on this particular video, United States of America is actually topping my top geography here. Now straight away, let's get to the revenue. Right, so the revenue is currently what you see on your screen now, $294.45 US dollars. That is it for this single video that is having 139,000 views, $294.45 dollars. So is it worth it? Let me hear from you at the comment section. Is it worth it? A whole 139,000 views getting me 294.45. But don't forget that the video is less than 8 minutes. I think the video is around 6 point something minutes, so that's also a factor. So that is it. The playback cost for every 1K view, that is CPM, is 9.16, and YouTube actually paid me only 2.11 as the RPM per 1,000 views. You can imagine. Is this also worth it? Let me hear from the comment section as well. So that is it. this particular video actually got me this whole amount. Okay, so we're going to the second video. As I told you, the second video is gonna surprise you, because what I even saw there, it's quite surprising, but I'll show you why it happened that particular way. Now let's get back to the videos. The second video is this one. This was scaling your channel. That's having 31,000 currently. So let's click on that, and then we get to the video performance. Let's click on that and come here. Okay, so now this video is having 31,835 views since it was published. Okay, yes, that's 127 days now. And let's get to the reach. Let's get to the reach and see what happens over here. 410,000 impressions. 410,000 impressions. Let's see the click-through rate, 6.2. That means the click-through rate percentage for this particular video is higher than that of the first one. Okay, and then it's having this amount of views now. Okay, so that is it. Let's get to the search terms. Name him. Actually, I had his name as part of my search terms, and then my own name attached my tutorials. These videos actually suggested this particular one to be watching. The first one is my own video, no watch hours, my own video, and then I think the next are from Nigeria content creators. Their videos also suggested mine. Okay, so let's get to the engagements. Over here I had 1.3 thousand watch hours. That is 1,300 watch hours from this particular video. Okay, and then it got me the average view duration is 2.31. Okay, let's get to the audience where I had most views from. So over here to where I had most viewed from is I think the same country, with the exception of the first one was Ghana. I think this one is Nigeria. So the top country is United States 24.0, Nigeria 16.9, and the United Kingdom 4.6. So that is it. Now let's move straight away to the revenue I had, and you are going to be shocked. Frankly speaking, you're going to be surprised, and I'll show you why it happened this way over here on this particular channel, and then I'll show you how to also increase your YouTube revenue wherever you find yourself, whatever niche you are actually into. So let's click on the revenue, and as you can see clearly, this particular video 31,000 views on only $4.25. A whole 31,000 views, only $4.25. You understand? So what is your take on this? Is it worth it? Let me hear from you in the comment section, and I'm going to show you why it happened this way. Now let's check the CPM is 7.26, but the RPM is 0.13. You see the problem here, the RPM is very down, 0.3, not even up to $1 per 1k views. And so 31,000 multiplied by 0.13 was only able to get me this. If I had even gotten $1 per 1k views as the RPM, I would have even gotten somewhere around $31 US. But this whole videos got me 4.25. You see, one of the reasons is that, you see, the video was actually published before monetization. You understand? So when you check over here, the monetization graph, you could see that the graph actually exceeded, raised to the top. Okay, in the middle of the lifetime of this particular video, as you can see clearly over here. So that's one of the factors. The duration of the video is also a factor. So if you want to increase your revenue, please do well to do all you can to get your channel monetized as early as possible, so that your views wouldn't be going waste. Yes, so that you can actually be earning from your own views and your own advertisement over there on your channel. Secondly, make sure you increase the length of your video, or the duration of a video, to at least 8 minutes. In that way, you can increase the number of ads that can show in your videos. That's also another strategy. And then the next thing is that over here, the audience, make sure you get traffic from United States of America. When I check over here, find USA is topping with 24%, but it could have been better. It could have been at least getting to 50-60% of that, and then preceding or following by other top countries as well, not those countries that are found in Africa or the continent where the advertisement do not actually pay, especially when you get traffic from countries in Asia, in Africa, and other continents, you're going to get lower payment as compared to getting traffic from United States of America, the UK, Australia, and Canada, in those places. So be able to get traffic from those places, and you're going to also increase your revenue over there. So that's it, and these are just some few tips I decided to actually add to this. So thank you very much. I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. Please be able to implement all of these, and it's going to help you a lot. But after watching this video, is it worth it? The amount I got from the 139,000 views and that of the 31,000 views, what is your take on these? Let me know in the comment section. And then also, if you're a YouTuber, let me encourage you, please do well to continuously be uploading. A lot of people feel discouraged as they keep on making their videos. Don't feel discouraged. There's goodness ahead of you. Be able to work so hard, be able to upload, be able to be more consistent on YouTube, upload on daily basis, on weekly basis, or monthly basis, depending on which of the schedules that you can, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to pick your system, be able to pick your channel, and be recommended your videos to the larger audience. I'm wishing you all the best. If you need any assistance or any question, put it in the comment section, and I'll be available to assist and direct you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if today happens to be your first time. And there are a number of you've subscribed, all right, but you've not turned on the notification bell, and as a result, you've not been getting updates. Please do well to turn on the notification bell so that whenever there's a video here, you can get the update on your device. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video.